This is a 2009 Fridgemaster 13-inch mini tower fan. Now, this is not my fan, it's my grandma's friend's fan that she got from an old friend of hers, I believe. And it was only on the 10th of June this year that I was here, and I helped my grandma's friend go and get two fans out of her garage. And when I think after when she said that she had got a mini tower fan, I saw that it was this. Now, Fridgemaster no longer make their FM168 13-inch mini tower fan, or at least they're not very easy to come across on eBay now. I really wish I could have this fan because it's another childhood model, and I used to own about four Fridgemaster fans. I've only got one Fridgemaster fan left down my collection, and that's my old 2011 Fridgemaster 6-inch clip fan that I got a long time ago. I got that brand new actually. So I believe this Fridgemaster tower fan is it's second hand, but it's not had very much use because, surprisingly, I do still have the original box as well. It's still got the box, which is really good. Impressive. So it's Fridgemaster model FM168, 3-speed control, 240 minutes timer, oscillation 90 degrees, new style, and it's whisper quiet. It just says BS 3-pin plug attached. We've got some other stuff as well, not just the box, but we have also, just read all that down there, and it's a Royus approved appliance. We do have some, we do have the manual and the old Fridgemaster guarantee card for Fridgemaster helpline if you need to call, if the fan's broken or if it needs service. So we can have a look. First we can have a look in the manual. Again, very familiar. Fridgemaster FM168 mini tower fan, 220/240 volts AC at 50 Hz. Fridgemaster Corporation Limited for domestic use only. So you can have a look in the manual. So it just says, thank you for purchasing a Fridgemaster mini tower fan. Each unit is manufactured to the highest quality standard to ensure safety and reliability. Before first time use, please read the instructions carefully and keep them for future reference. Well, that's good. Caution, unplug or disconnect the fan from the power supply before servicing. It's got the features: front case, timer indicator light, speed indicator light, oscillation indicator light, power off, rear case, grille, speed switch, oscillation switch, timer, base. And yeah, so get a lot of good details. And I realised a little while ago that got some it just says 9-inch oscillation, 8-speed switch on, 5 off, timer, and bought on the 12th of September 2007. It's pretty good. I'll probably have this fan, but I would love to, as I said at the start of the video, I would love to have this fan, but unfortunately I can't. I'm going to try and get another Fridgemaster fan, but as I'm saying, I would like to have this one. I really wish I could, because it's another childhood fan. So that's that. Just fitting of a 3-pin mains plug. Just details. Pause to read that if you like. put the manual to one side, it's still got the old sealable packet that what the stuff will have come in, especially the old Fridgemaster guarantee. So we can open it out. So product warranty. This product has been manufactured to the highest quality standards. This product is warranted to the original purchaser or gift receiptment, and this is not transferable. Warranty. This product is guaranteed to be from defects in workmanship and parts for a period of 12 months from the date of purchase. Defects that occur within this warranty period under the normal use and care will be repaired of. Replaced at the discretion solely that our opinion, with no charge for parts or labour. The benefits conferred by this warranty in the addition to all rights and remedies in respect of product that the consumer has under the Trade Practices Act and similar state of territory laws. So, I better read the service during the warranty period. This product, the product can be personally returned to the original place of purchase for product repair or replacement. This is the discretion of the retailer. Please ensure that the product is properly packaged so as to ensure that no damage occurs to the product during transit. Also make sure that you have included an explanation of the problem. In the event of goods requiring repair under a warranty, the owner is responsible for the cost of transportation. Whilst in transit, the goods are at the owner's risk. Should the goods be found to be the sound of working order, the owner might be charged a fee. I'm considered, I've read somewhere on here that it had like the Fridgemaster helpline. Can't find it anywhere. You would have got the Fridgemaster helpline if you exactly needed it. Yeah, just details. I'll picture that in the video so I can have a little read of it. www.fridgemaster.co.uk. Yeah, it would say the helpline somewhere. It's nice to have the box. I might picture it with the box. And yeah, because it's another childhood fan, so obviously I would. So we can have a quick look around on it. Again, it's pretty well built fan. Fridgemaster, I've always said, is very, very good domestic company that make fans. Fridgemaster kind of still exists, but they don't make fans anymore. I think they just make fridge freezers, hence the name Fridgemaster. So it just says Fridgemaster. No, actually, I'll just picture that in the video. Any detail underneath? No, it just has a QC pass. I think those rubber feet are going to need cleaning because it's been sat in the box for a while like that. Yeah, the thing I'm very, very pleased to see about it is that it still works. So I've plugged it in and we can start it up. Again, starts up very, very quietly. It's a very smooth runner. As you can see, the red indicator light's turned on. I know it looks kind of pinkish in the video, but in real life it's red. Real good wind blower. So that's the lowest speed setting. It's it's got a little dimensional grid there, so it goes to all different settings. That's the lowest speed setting. It's the medium speed setting. Highest speed setting, and I should have demonstrated its oscillation. It's quite a powerful little fellow, mind you. It's quite a powerful little fellow. Yes, is it a bit noisy as well? It's just made a funny cracky creaking noise, isn't it? Oh, you want that sort of air in the summertime. That is that's pretty effective. Test timer identification system. People will be thinking that I used to be a Fridgemaster servicer for fans. That's why I know how to work this fan. Plus you can read the instructions if you need help. So as I said, it's not brand new, it's second hand, but it hasn't had very much use. So this fan, if it's, as it's from like 2007, this fan has now got to be, like, it's got to be, like, by the time in September next year, this might be nearly, in the next 3 months or so, this will be like over 16 years old. I think this is still over 15 years old for now. Again, works well. So it works perfectly fine as the day it was brought. Sort of spin down there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video looking at one of my best childhood fans, the Fridgemaster FM168 13-inch mini tower fan with 3-speed control, 240 minutes timer, oscillation 90 degrees, new style and whisper quiet. If you were to ever, I'm going to give some words of advice out now. If you were to ever find this particular model on eBay, I'll give you some notice that if you get one brand new or second hand but not had very much use like this one, then you can check it all out, and then you can basically check it all out, and then you could possibly still refer the guarantee at fridgemaster.co.uk.